Morning children, this is your English class. You open your practice book. Children, open page number 24. Must see here. In previous class we learn about this and that. See here. Children, see here. Here some pictures are there. And one heading is there. Near and far. What is that? Near and far. Near means if anything is near to us, we have to say this. If anything is far away, we have to say that. So see here children. First of all, look at the picture and complete the corresponding sentence. See here, dash is a dash. What is the first picture children? Yes, goat. What is the first picture? Goat. So here we have to write first one. This is a goat. Okay, see here. Children, write neatly this. T H I S. This is a. What is this picture children? Goat. What is this one? Goat. So write here goat. G. Write neatly. O A T. Goat. Okay. Next. See here. So we finished goat. Next. Goat after what is the picture? Shape. Yes. It is far away. Far away means we have to write that. That is a sheep. Okay. Here we have to write here in the second line. See here that T H A T. That is a sheep. Okay. So write here sheep. S H I P. Sheep. So if anything is near to us, we have to say this. If anything is far away to us, we have to say that. This is a goat, that is a sheep. Next, come to next picture. Yes, cup. So the cup is near to us. We have to write this is a cup. See here children, right here. This capital T H I S. This is a cup. So see here all of you write cup. C U P. Cup. This is a cup. So cup is near to us. We have to write this is a cup. Next. Now what is this? Fish. Fish is far away. See here. He had given far and ichad kadamma. So fish is far away to us. We have to write that is a fish. Okay, see here. That. T H A T. That is a fish. Right here fish spelling. F I S H. Fish. That is a fish. Okay, next one. We finished the fish also. Next, come to next picture. What is this picture children? Cap. So the cap is near to us. So we have to write this is a cap. Okay children, see here. This. T H I S. This is a. So we have to write cap spelling. See here. C A P. Cap. This is a cap. Okay, next come to next one. So we finished cap also. Next, what is this one? Gun. Gun is far away to us. So we have to write that is a gun. So see here, write that. T H A T. That is a gun. Write neatly. G U N. That is a gun. So we finished this also. Next one, come to next picture. Key. What is this one? Key. Key is near to us. See here. Key is near to us. He had given the headings. Near and far and ichad gadamma. So, where is the key? The key is near to us. So, we have to write this is a key. Okay, see here. This is spelling T H I S. This is a key. All of red key. K E Y. Key. So we finish this also. Next. Key after next. Flag. What is this picture? Flag. Flag is far away to us. So we have to write that is a flag. So write here in the next line. That T H A T. That is a flag. So write here flag. F L A G. Flag. That is a flag. See, observe the full stop children at the end. See here, that is a flag. Okay. Next, we finished that is a flag also. Next, come to next picture. Cup. The car is near to us. So we have to write this is a car. Okay, see here children. This T-H-I-S. This is a, right here car spelling. C-A-R, car. This is a car. Next. So we finished car also. Car after what is this one? Bed. That is a bed. See here. That it is far away to us. We have to write that. T-H-A-T. That is a bed. B-E-D. Bed. That is a bed. Next, come to next one. We finished that also. Next, what is this one? Cow. What is this one? Cow. So see here. Cow is near to us. We have to write this. T-H-I-S. This is a cow. So right here cow spelling. C-O-W. Cow. So we finished the cow also. Next, come to next picture. Pig. Pig is far away to us. So we have to write that is a pig. Okay. Right here. T-H-A-T. That is a. Here write pig. P-I-G. Pig. Okay. Okay children. Okay. Turn to your next page. So children, see here. All of you turn to your next page. Children, what is this picture? Pot. See here. Look at the pictures and write the sentence using this or that. So see here. One pot is there. The pot is very near to us. So we have to write this is a pot. Okay children, see right here. Starting the first line. T-H-I-S. This. Put a baby finger gap, small gap amma. Is. I-S is. You can put a gap. Pot. P downstanding line. P-O-T. Pot. Okay. This is a pot. Next. Come to next picture. Yes, tub. The tub is very far away to us. So we have to write that. దూరంగా ఉండి కూడా మనం దట్ రాయాలమ్మా. ఓకే. T-H-A-T. That. Put a baby finger gap. Is. I-S is. Again put a gap. A. That is a. Again put a gap. Tub. T-U-B. Tab. Okay. That is a tub. Next, come to next picture. Yes, what is this one? Log. The log is very far away to us. So we have to write that is a log. Okay, see here. T-H-A-T. That. Put a finger gap. I-S is. I-S is. That is. Again put a gap. A. That is a. Again put a gap. Baby finger gap. Log. The log is very far away to us. So L-O-G. Log. Okay. That is a log. Next, come to next picture. See, the tin is very near to us. So we have to write this. This is a tin. T-H-I-S. This. Put a finger gap. Is. I-S is. Okay. Again put a finger gap. A. After again put a gap. Tin. Tin spelling T-I-N. Tin. At the end you have to put full stop for each sentence. Okay. Tin. Next, come to next picture children. See here. Now what is this one? Hut. What is this one? Hut. Next. Children, the remaining 4 sentences you have to write. Okay. This is your homework. So see here. I will tell first of all. The hut is very far away to us. So we have to write that is a hut. Okay. Next, come to next picture. That is a hut. So here we have to write, you have to write that is a hut. Next, come to here. Jar. Here you have to write this is a jar. Okay. Next, come to next picture. Yes, box. The box is very near to us. So you have to write this is a box. Next one. Yeah, the bin is very far away to us. So you have to write that is a bin. Okay children? All of you complete this page number 25. Complete the page number 25 in the practice book. Okay children? Children, all of you open your activity book. Now open page number 34. See here. this and that. Look at the pictures and complete the sentence using this or that. See here some pictures are there. Dusk, next here tiger, next parrot, next picture, next book. See here next fork, next one. See here, what is this one, children? దీన్ని ఏమంటారు తెలుసా? అగ్ని వాల్కనో అంటారమ్మా. దీన్ని వాల్కనో అంటారు. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ నెక్స్ట్. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్? yes, rocket. Next one, what is this one? Pot. So see here, children, here there are some blanks. Here we have to write this or that. Okay, dash is a dusk. So the dusk is very near to us. See here, see the picture. ఇది మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉంది కదమ్మా. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్. సో రైట్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ దిస్. సీ హియర్ దిస్. టీ, capital T, H, I, yes. This, see here. This is a dusk. Next, tiger. Is a tiger and a dash is a tiger. See the tiger. It is near or far away? Yes, it is very far away to us. So we have to write that. That is a tiger. So write here that, all of you. That is a tiger. So write that. T, H, A, T. That is a tiger. Next, come to next picture. Fork. The fork is very near to us. See here. Yes, it is very near to us. So we have to write this is a fork. So all of you write this. T, H, I, yes, this is a fork. Next, come to next one. Parrot. Dash is a parrot. See here, where the parrot? See where? Yes, it is very far away to us. So we have to write that. That is a parrot. So all of you write here that. See here, write that, all of you here. T, H, A, T. That is a parrot. Next, come to next one. Dash is a book. See here, book is there. Yes, book is here. So the book is very near to us. So we have to write this. This is a book. So write here, all of you, this. You got this right, okay? T, H, I, yes, this is a book. Next, come next one. Dash is a volcano. See here, the volcano is very far away to us. Okay, so we have to write that. So write here that. T, H, A, T. That is a volcano. If anything is near to us, we have to write this. If anything is far away to us, we have to write that. Next, come to next line. Dash is a rocket. See the rocket. Where is the rocket, children? Yes, it is here. It is very far away to us. So we have to write that. So write here, all of you, that. Okay. Next line. That. T, H, A, T. That is a rocket. Next, come to next line. Dash is a pot. It is very near to us. So we have to write here this. This is a pot. T, H, I, yes. This is a, see here, this is a pot. Okay, children, all of you complete this page number 34, Amma. 34 in the activity book. Okay, children, all of you turn to your next page. See here, again stickering activity came here. Read the sentence and paste the stickers appropriately in the box. Few are done for you. So see here, this is a car. Must you see here, the car sticker vaadu atikinchesadu kada. Next, come to next picture. That is a flag. So we have to paste the flag sticker here. Children, all of you take your sticker paper. So see here, yes, sticker. Take the flag sticker, okay? Paste the sticker there. So paste here. That is a flag. All of you say loudly. That is a flag. Okay, see here. That is a flag. Next, come to next picture. See here. Yes, that is a bell. See, children, any bell picture is there in the sticker? Yes, see here, bell picture is there. Take the sticker. Yes, paste the sticker. So, this sticker ni kratikidamma, okay? Yes, see here. That is a bell, okay? That is a bell. Next, that is an eraser. See here, children, any eraser picture is there in the paper? Yes, it is here. Take the sticker, okay? Okay? paste the sticker there. So paste the sticker. So ikkada erase the sticker atigidam manam. Okay. Yes, that is an eraser. Next, come to next one. That is a boy. See, any boy picture is there, children? Yes, see here, boy picture is there. Take the sticker. Okay. Now paste the sticker there. Children, paste the sticker here. That is a boy. Okay, that is a boy. Next, come to next one. This is a moon. See, your moon picture is there, children. See. Yes, take the sticker. Yes, moon. Okay, paste the sticker here. Okay, this is a moon. Okay, children. Remaining two pictures here given. See here. This is my ear. Sorry, this is my ear. Next one. That is a hat. Because it is very far away to us, we have to say that. Okay, that is a hat. Okay, children, complete the sticker page. And page number 35. And submit me through WhatsApp. Okay, children. We will meet in the next class.